Hello everyone, and welcome to a collaboration introduction. I am your host, Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, Decorating on the Budget. And today's episode is entitled Vision Board Collaboration 2025. Now we have simple rules, and the rules are: number 1, follow proper collaboration protocol. Create a vision board about your plans or goals for 2025. Share using one of the following: a poster board, a tablet or a notebook pad, or digital. Number 3, use the title Vision Board Collaboration 2025 for your title and in your description box. Number 4, mention all host and co-host channels in your video and link them in your description box. Number 5, we would love for you to be a subscriber to our channels. Number 6, use the hashtag Vision Board 2025 in your description and in your title. Number 7, there is no twist for this collaboration. Number 8, there will be a playlist available to add your videos. And number 9, have fun. Enjoy yourself doing the collaboration. And the upload date is January 3rd, 2025. And the times are 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time or 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, if you have any questions or concerns regarding this collaboration, please contact me on IG at CreativelyMsMe, and I will get back to you at my earliest convenience. See you there.